welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal and in this video we're going to be talking about a very important topic, which is global warming, and it is a really important topic. So guys, the first point which I'm going to be telling you is global warming. It is the most important topic, and so guys, as you see that everyone in our world is cutting around trees and making constructions. So that's the reason. When we cut down trees, the oxygen is less and the carbon dioxide is more. So that's why it causes the air to be more polluted and also warm, and that's the reason for global warming. So guys, you also can see that the North Pole is melting. It is melting. And the animals are also losing their habitat. So this is the point number 1, and please ask everyone to plant them, not to cut them. Plant trees, please. So the second point is plastic bottles. Plastic is the most important crisis right now. You guys can see that plastic bags, when we throw them everywhere. You can see we are throwing them here, there. So when they are in the sea, also the animals who eat jellyfish are eating them and they are dying. You can see. That's the main reason of plastic, and the air also becomes so polluted. They are everywhere, flying around. So we should always use cloth bags or cardboard, yes, or paper bags also, but we should never use plastic bags and plastic bottles. They are the most important reason for pollution. So we should avoid them. And one more, or if you are you should also avoid using plastic shampoo bottles. You should either use tin soap. You should use them for your hair, because you can't use the shampoo bottle is also plastic, and there are thousands of them. So that is also. And you see you use earbuds, you can use wood one expect. So you should definitely use them, and don't use plastic. Please don't use plastic, I beg you. The animals are dying everywhere. So this is the most important point. Remember it, please. So guys, one more thing I would also like to say about plastic is that it is also causing air pollution and water pollution. And the most important problem is deforestation. Everyone is cutting trees like crazy, and I want to construct this, that. So that is the most important problem. We cut trees, animals lose their home. You can see I'm going to give example about pandas. You can see they're only estimated 1,000 around the world, only all over the world. That's why they're losing their house, and they're cutting trees. And also not only pandas, every animal around the world which live in the forest or the water are losing their houses. When you pollute in the water, fishes also die, because the water is so polluted they can't even live in the water. That's the reason why they're so much pollution. So please plant trees. Guys, there is also one more problem, which is air pollution. And the problem is that all of us are using cars and heavy bikes, motorcycles. So don't use them. Try to use public transport, because we are gonna use public transport, because when you can see the factories are fuming all of the smoke, and the air is becoming polluted. It is filled with dust. So if we use public transport, many people can fit in a bus, and they can if they many people can move at a time, it is gonna cause less smoke if you can see like 10 people are going in a bus and like 2 people are going in a car, and the car and bus are like equal fuming, and there are like 5-6 cars in one bus, it is gonna be better if you use the buses. And yeah, and also guys, try to use, like, except for using heavy bikes and motorcycles, try to use bicycles for travel, or like you can walk there is no problem, or use a bus. So guys, this was it for my video. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. So if you like my video, like, subscribe, smash the like button, hit the notification bell and share, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. So till then, bye.